Hey guys, welcome to the Money Roads channel, where you guys will learn all about money making methods, business and marketing help, money making tools, programs, and much more. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated on the latest trends. Also, like this video and visit the Money Roads website at moneyroads.com. All links are in the description below. There are plenty of money making methods out there, and in this video I'll be talking about a very neat one that some of you will not have heard before. This place is a great platform to use your talents to make quick cash. That place I'm talking about is Fiverr. Fiverr is a website where people use their talents in all sorts of fields to make great money. Customers come onto this site looking for help with all sorts of things like design help, writing help, or help on knowledge of social media. They pay the talented people such as you guys watching this video for their services. People are making great cash using this platform, so why shouldn't you? Now, you might be thinking to yourself that you have no talents. Well, you're wrong. You all do have something to provide. Plus, there are so many different opportunities on Fiverr that you're bound to have something you can provide. I personally have not tried Fiverr myself, but do know a few people who have. One of the people I know who is doing this is making great money providing design services. So he provides logos, business card designs, social media designs, and much more. And he's making loads of money from it. So much so that he has hired 2 employees to help him out and is planning on expanding. Another person I know who's making pretty good money as well, maybe not as much as the other, but still very good. And the only reason he doesn't make as much money as the other guy is because he doesn't want to spend a lot of time doing this and spends most of his time doing hobbies he enjoys. Anyway, what the second guy is offering is writing services. So when clients need help writing work-related material, blog posts, school-related material, he gets paid to write for them. There are plenty of more services that you can offer. These were just 2 examples. I suggest checking out the website and do some research on your own time. You can make a lot of money doing this, so hop on it. That's all folks. If you want me to make an in-depth guide on Fiverr or anything else, let me know. Check out my website at moneyroads.com. All of my social media links are in the description below, as is many other great links. Check them out. Also make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks and have a great day.